Okay, good afternoon or good evening. I will be replacing this one here with a new one like this. Okay, this is burned out, so I will replace this one with this. So the end portion will be connected to the blower. When we use the blower, we plug into an extension cord. Then we switch on this one, so the blower will be on. But the problem is this is burned out. So I cut it. I will be replacing by this one, and I will be connecting it here. Okay, I will be connecting. So I will now be soldering this one. Okay, so I needed a helping hand. I connected the black and black, and later on I will be soldering this white here. So I'll do first with the black one. The black one. Okay. So to solder connect this one, the connection are done here, so I'll be placing a soldering face here. Okay, that's the soldering face. Then I'll be soldering this one. My electronic soldering gun is already set at 400, so this is set at 400 already. So it's actually hot. It's hot already. So I'm ready to solder the black connection. The black connection is done. So I will be covering this one with the what's this one? I got the heat shrink tubing. The black connection is soldered already. So okay. So I'll try to flatten this one here. So I could insert the heat shrink tubing. Okay, so I will flip this one to the heat gun. So I will now try to melt this, what do you call this, heat shrink tubing here to cover the connection. Okay. Okay, the connection is covered with heat shrink tubing again. I will flip on the switch. Then I will put the connection on the soldering gun again. Okay. So the black connection is done already. So what I will do next is I will try to open this one here. To make the white connection. And for the solder to look good, I'll try to sandpaper the bare wire. So when I solder it, the melted solder will connect very strong to the wire, you know. Okay, I will try to see my camera. Looks good. Oh, it looks good. So I am done. Okay. I will be doing the other connection. I will try to open the end portion here. Okay, so I could make the connection of the white one, you know. But again, I must have to sandpaper the bare wire. Okay, I must have to sandpaper the bare wire. Then what will be next? I will insert the heat shrink tubing here. So upon soldering, I could cover the soldered connection and okay. So I'll be twisting this one here. I twist it. Again, before soldering, I will add up a soldering phase to the connection. Then I will bring out my helping hand. Okay. So when I solder it, the connection to be soldered should be steady, and we could solder it strongly. Again, the soldering gun is set at 400 degree Fahrenheit. Oh, this is hot. This is hot. Okay. I'll try to wipe the end portion so the connection will be good. 400 degree Fahrenheit. I will now be soldering the second connection. The white connection is done. Okay. So I'll be switching the soldering gun. I will shut off the soldering gun. I will put it on the what you call heat gun. Okay. Okay. I will try to flatten this soldered portion here. Oh. Okay. Then I'll try to insert the heat shrink tubing on the soldered portion. So the soldered portion is already what you call this covered with the heat shrink tubing, and I will now try to blow the heat shrink tubing so it will try to fully cover the soldered portion. Okay, and I think that's it. Okay. I will try to shut off my soldering station. I will remove this one here. Okay, I am done with the soldering station. And let's try to see. let's try to see if the soldered portion was intact. Okay, I will try to plug in this one. So the power source of the blower gun, or the blower, will now be this one. Because when I try to blow something outside, I try to plug in this one to an extension cord, then I switch on this one. Okay, this is the controller switch. Okay.